course, a lounge. Got all these beverages, cold drinks. Like a mini mart in here. It has pretty much everything. Wow, I'm amazed. Is the Rove. We got charges besides Tesla supercharge. It's the Rove here. That's the lounge area. And we got some Rivian over there. Got the car wash here. Where the Tesla superchargers are at. Electrify America's on the other side. This is a nice place. Just got my car wash. I went through there. Pretty decent price. We got the supercharger here. It's underneath this shaded solar roof, solar panel. We got this brand new supercharger. People are walking around, browsing the new place. Got the vacuum here. It's free air, free vacuum. Just had a car wash. It's a pretty neat place. And of course, I'm almost done with my charge. It's not too bad. $10 car wash, the basic car wash that they have available. As you guys can see, that is the lounge area over there. So we got one row of Tesla supercharger, and then we got the Rove Electrify American on the other side. We got a couple Rivian on that side. We got the Ford Mach-E. Besides that, we got the Tesla. And of course, we had the dock adapter for those who wants to use it. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, just in case a few of you didn't get to hear me from the beginning, I'm here at the new Rove supercharger, and I believe this is a Santa Ana off of 17th Street, exit off of 5 freeway. It's a pretty nice, clean place. It's covered with solar roof, solar panel. Your car is underneath the shade, and you got the brand new, I believe it's level 4 supercharger, but it's still 250 kilowatt hours. I'm charging right now. I don't really need a charge, but I'm topping it off anyways, just so that you guys can see. I'm at 207, 78%, so I'm almost done with my charge here. This is the location, 17th Street. It's at price 39 cents per kilowatt hour. And when I came here, I would think I was at about 60 some percent. So it cost me about $3.30 some cents. So I have 1 minute left. This place is clean. Inside restroom is really nice. It's well maintained and taken care of. We got several employees that upkeep the area and keep it nice and clean. It's similar to one of your typical gas station, but it's a luxury, cleaner gas station, supermarket slash supermarket. And there's a lounge area where they give you free Wi-Fi's and everything. But yeah, this is it. I hope everybody enjoy my review at this location. It's the first time that I was here. I've been wanting to come here for the past couple of days. Today is the, I think, let me take a look here. Since they opened up, I think the 15th until today. So today is the 20, I think it's the 20, I would say 22nd, 23rd. Well, anyhow guys, I'm done now with my charge, so I'm gonna unplug and head out. Pretty nice here. See, it locks it in place. If you guys want to try the new Rove Tesla Supercharge here in Santa Ana, you can stop by on the 5 exit 17th Street. Just come and check it out. It's one of the new buildings that they just put up. I believe Audi and other company were talking about it in the past, but nobody actually followed through. So Rove just put up a building for Tesla. I guess they are collaborating with each other. So this is one of the first building that is up and operational. You guys more than welcome to come by and check it out. All right guys, I hope everybody enjoy, and if you do find it entertaining, please like and subscribe. That way you can help grow my channel. Thank you. Peace.